Hello, it's Igor Chetra Hydro Install. We have a Worcester Bosch and the model number is a Greenstar 25 SI Compact ERP, and we had a fault 227 which indicates a lack of flame. While I was trying to reignite boiler, I could hear bubbling inside the combustion chamber. This immediately tells me that the symptoms are or maybe is blocked condense pipe. So I could find it right here under the sink, and as expected, let's check on this. I'm gonna zoom it up. Right, it's fully blocked by all the stuff from the sink, so all the grease and etc. So essentially hold this pipe all the way together with a condense trap, and the combustion chamber is filled up with a condensation from the boiler, which is slightly corrosive. It has pH below 7. So I'm just gonna use my wet vacuum cleaner to unblock it and make sure that the water is running down freely. On the second occasion, on the second visit, we need to do something with it. If customer accepts, we can rectify that by connecting the condense pipe elsewhere, so this should never happen.